The highlands of Oceania, we Pacific Islanders, we believe in three gods: God of heaven, God of the land, and God of the sea.
Hey yo, man.
God of the heavens is where the stars and the sun and the moon, and they are the ones who master the composing the song. The master of the land, he owns the creatures, vegetations, and things like that. These are the representing the land, the leaves, and the columns, and the song sung from heaven. We call him Teligi, Tupualigi, Taukarawa. On land we call him Tapakia, and they call it here Maui. These are the seashells representing the Moana, the land of Tangaloa. So when these young girls dance, they entertain their three gods creators: the God of heaven, the God of the land, and the God of the sea. Tangaloa, Maui, and the Tupualing. Taukarawa, Tapakia, or Tapo.